We've all at one time attempted to open a website only to discover that the site is no longer active and has been replaced by a landing page indicating that the domain has expired or is up for renewal. In many cases, the page may contain links related to the expired site. In other cases, the page is now hosted by an auction site that is looking to sell the expired domain name. Usually, these types of pages or auction sites appear to be benign with links that are assumed to be legitimate. But a recent report from Kaspersky Labs explains that these pages may be riddled with malware or viruses lurking in the shadows. While investigating a gaming app, Kaspersky researchers found that the app attempted to redirect them to an unwanted URL, which was listed for sale on an auction site. However, instead of directing people to the correct site, the second stage redirection led them to a blacklisted website. After further analysis, Kaspersky researchers discovered that up to 1,000 websites for sale from the same auction site. The second stage of redirection for these sites took users to more than 2,500 unwanted URLs. Most of these URLs were set up to download the Slayer Trojan, a malware that attempts to install adware on Mac computers. Between March of 2019 and February of 2020, Kaspersky observed that 89% of these second stage redirects went to ad-related web pages, while 11% went to malicious web pages. In some of the cases, the pages themselves contained malicious code. In others, users were prompted to install malware or download infected Word documents or PDF files. On the pages that install the Slayer Trojan, the attackers are believed to obtain a payment for each installation of the malware on an affected device. It is assumed that the criminals behind this campaign are part of a well-organized network that can divert traffic to malicious websites. They can do this by using redirects from legitimate domain names and exploiting the resources of known domain auction sites. According to Dmitry Kondratiev of Kaspersky Labs, unfortunately, there is little users can do to avoid being redirected to a malicious page. The domains that have these redirects were, at one point, legitimate resources. Perhaps those the users frequently visited in the past. And there is no way of knowing whether or not they are now transferring visitors to pages that download malware. In general, malvertising schemes like these are complex, making them difficult to fully uncover. So your best defense is to have a comprehensive security solution on your device. Although this particular attack is hard to combat, you can still take several steps to prevent malware from infecting your devices. An important step to protect your devices is running antivirus and anti-malware software. These programs can block malware from being installed and remove it if it does get onto your devices. Some tips you can follow are: only install programs and updates from sources you trust. Use a dependable security solution with anti-spear phishing features that prevent redirects to suspicious pages. And always trust your hunch and don't click on suspicious links. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like SpyHunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. SpyHunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. SpyHunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the SpyHunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. SpyHunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download SpyHunter today. Thanks for watching.